Hi everyone, today's headlines. State government unable to protect the lives and right of citizens, NPCC blame government for parent killing. Chief Minister Nefirio inaugurate and commission new water supply project for Kohima. Nagaland, one vehicle and properties worth over rupees 10 lakh gutted by fire. DENSU condemns rape of a minor at Half Nagarjan, Dimapur. Sachin Tendulkar tests positive for COVID-19 with mild symptoms. News in details. State government unable to protect the lives and rights of citizens, NPCC blame government for parent killing. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee blamed the state government for the March 22nd incident in which 3 persons were killed by unidentified miscreants at Lamhai Namdi village in Peran district. It said the present state of lawlessness in Nagaland where elected government is unable to protect the lives and right of citizens is a fit case for imposition of president rule. How long can Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ignore just because BJP is part of PDA government? Questions NPCC. Meanwhile, NPCC President K. Thierry in a release said that the incident is a total failure of state government. The incident is not an accident but an afterthought, NPCC stated. It demanded that justice be delivered without fear and prejudice. Chief Minister Nefirio inaugurate and commission new water supply project for Kohima. The Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nefirio inaugurated and commissioned the new water supply project and lauded the department for the initiative taken to construct a water plant for Kohima on Friday, March 26, 2021. The Department of Public Health Engineering commissioned the new water supply project by pumping from Zari River at water treatment plant site Mima Village, Kohima. The Chief Minister on behalf of the government and department extended his appreciation to the source owners as well as the southern Angamis, particularly Mima and Kizoma village for their contribution in augmentation of the water supply. Nagaland, one vehicle and properties worth over rupees 10 lakh gutted by fire. The Fire and Emergency Services informed about fire incidents at Dimapur, Kohima and Peran districts on March 25, 2021. One vehicle and property worth over rupees 10 lakh have been ravaged by fire altogether. DENSU condemns rape of a minor at Half Nagarjan, Dimapur. The Dimapur Eastern Nagaland Students' Union on Friday strongly condemned the heinous crime of rape committed against a minor girl of about 5 years at Half Nagarjan, Dimapur. The DENSU in a statement said that the union is shocked to learn about the heinous crime of rape committed against a minor girl of about 5 years at Half Nagarjan by one person, namely Mr. Kikwa Marine, 55 years, Peran district and presently residing at Half Nagarjan, Dimapur. The union strongly condemns such an evil act committed against a minor girl child. It said the accused person does not deserve to be in a society and deterrent punishment must be given to the accused. Such inhuman act must be strictly rejected by all right-thinking individual and society, it added. Sachin Tendulkar tests positive for COVID-19 with mild symptoms. While it was believed that India was battling hard versus the COVID-19 pandemic with the cases being limited and recoveries being higher, the second wave of the novel coronavirus is now challenging the citizens with a rapid spike in cases. Maharashtra remains one of the worst affected states with plenty of positive cases, including that of Sachin Tendulkar. Tendulkar, who is easily regarded as one of the most complete batsmen to have played the gentleman game, shared the news on social media via his official Twitter handle on Saturday morning. He wrote, "I have been testing myself and taking all the recommended precautions to ensure COVID is kept at bay. However, I have tested positive today following mild symptoms. All others at home have tested negative. I have quarantined myself at home and am following all protocols as advised by my doctors. I want to thank all the healthcare professionals who are supporting me and many others across the country." That's all for now. To get the latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.